Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats. Alright, let's begin with the video. First, open the Uber app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now you will be at the home page of your account. Simply tap on the Uber Eats tab at the top right corner and your order will be displayed on the screen. Since there is no way to cancel the order directly on the app, you will need to open any preferred browser and search for Cancel Uber Eats Order. After that, hit search and a bunch of different websites will be displayed. Simply open the first web page and the official Uber Help Center will open up. Now, tap on the Login to get Help button and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the feature of Chat with Us. Simply tap on it, ask them to cancel your order, and they will assist you with the cancellation process. So that's basically how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.